And today is Tuesday, the 11th of July, and I'm looking out at the little bird feeding station that we have here outside the window for Minkie, and Minkie is sitting here. I see, where is he? Oh, it's so... I've had to go back out of... Now, you can see Minkie's head there, and you can see the tail. The tail is looking at the birds, and he looks out at the birds out there. Now wait a minute, okay, that's a decal on the window, and there's where the birds are. So we come back over to the window, and where are those little birds? There they are, okay. And there's all sorts of little birds come. There's seeds and peanuts and balls and lots of sunflower seeds on the tray. And the problem we had was that the birds come and they drop all the little bits on the ground, and then we have loads of little birds on the ground and 3 cats. So sorry about this wavering, but I've had to focus in quite a bit to get to the... There we go, we go back a little bit. And so Robert had this brainwave to put a big lid off a big plastic bin on the bottom, so that all the little bits that come off the food are in the tray and they don't go down there onto the ground where the little cats go out. They come in on the other side. There's a nice cherry tree and it's got lots of cherries, so we've got lots of cherries being eaten, and the other little birds are all coming and feeding, and they're bringing the little babies to be fed as well. So that's it. It's very busy. We get magpies come. That drives Minkie very excited, and we chase the magpies off, and then we get woodpeckers come, and they love to have a good feed on the balls. But the problem with the magpies is they come, they frighten all the other little birds away, and they take the balls and go away and eat them. So there we are. It's a nice safe place for little birds to come and to eat. And there's lots of activity. They're going up on the top and they're flying in off the fence. Yeah. Anyway, that's it for today. Cheery bye.